Hi, my name is Tin and welcome to the Cloud Media YouTube channel. Who are we? We are a small Croatian awarded video production company. Do you want to see our awards? Great, now you see our awards, but let me show you where we work. So, all in all, why are we starting this channel? We are going to make a new documentary movie with Nikola Horvat.
Želiš da pustinja nadvlada pustinju u tebi. No pustinja se ovoga puta neće vratiti.
And we are sponsored by Adidas Terex. Nikola is sponsored, not we. This trail is starting from Ilok in Croatia to the Dubrovnik, and Nikola is going to walk all over it. What are we going to do? We are going to follow Nikola on his journey and film everything that we need to film to make a new documentary movie. And the thing why are we starting this channel is because we want to show you the process of making a documentary movie. We will show you from start to finish, behind the scenes, what equipment do we use, how it's going to be on the field, post-production process, and everything else that we are going to do in this movie. If you're interested in this project, please hit subscribe button and let the journey begin.